So to answer this question, an air filled with 50 microfarads capacitor has a voltage of 10 voltage. An insulator with a dielectric constant of 4 is inserted between the metal plates. So first question is calculate the capacitance, and the second question is what is the new voltage across the capacitor. The third one is calculate the original charge on the capacitor. And the fourth one is how much electric charge is currently on the capacitor. So the given is um, the capacitor of the air, which is 50 microfarads, and the voltage of the air, which is 10 voltage. So by this image or figure, since neither is negative and positive, then ang middle niya is air. So we can directly conclude that the dielectric constant is 1. So base which is mean baway sulod, so air na siya. So from the problem na once daw na insertan si the two bali uh, the original given, like gi-insertan siya og insulator, which is gibutang ang dielectric constant sa insulator, which is kani pagsulod niya, which is di ba dire kay wali kuan sulod, din pagbutang dire is na so pagsulod is ang equivalent na niya is 4 ang dielectric constant ni insulator. So to solve ang capacitance is ang formula is capacitance equals to K, which is katong pagsulod sa insulator balikan ni di ba kay kuan man balik ang kuan ani more final capacitance diri na part sa insulator kung siyang capacitance. So from given sa capacitor ni air, so mo atong gamiton. So to solve it is di ba capacitance equals to 4 times 50 microfarads, which is equal to 200 microfarads. So mo na ni check. So next is to solve the new voltage. So ang formula is V voltage equals to voltage of air over the dielectric constant, which is the same Japon siya nga 4 sa since insulator Japon ni siya. So V is equals to 10 voltage over 4, which is equals to 2.5 voltage. So at the end is ang goal is to find the original charge. So ang formula is charge is equals to CV. Bali ang original charge is ang air from ganiha nga katong wala pa ang insulator. So since Q is equals to V microfarad times 10V. So goal na to is to cancel out si V. So we know na ang formula ni farad is kuan equals to capacitance over voltage. So ato siyang i-kuan diri para mahimo siya ma-cancel out, and pag times sa 50 times 10 is 500, then mabilin is si microcoulomb. So mo ni siyang answer. So to answer the last part is the current charge. So basically same ra nag-answer sa third question, which is kung kuan man gud nay kuan if si dielectric constant mo dako, si charge ay si capacitance is also mo dako, but si voltage mo gamay, proportionally na sila. So mag-remain og so basically so proportional man, so ang charge is equal ra Japon, like kung unsa ang answer dere same dere. So to solve that is diba charge is equals to C times V sa insulator. So 200 microfarads times 2.5, the same way Japon na C over V, then times 2.5, so 500 microcoulomb.